I have heard people say you need thousands and millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube. That is a capital lie. With the right strategy, you can start making money on YouTube with as little as 10 subscribers. And permit me to show you how you can start doing it in this particular video. Basically, everybody wants to start making money on YouTube. I will tell you that 2 out of every 3 persons you meet every day want to start making money on YouTube, but they are limited because they are limiting their amount, because they think you need thousands of subscribers, you need millions of subscribers, you need a fancy equipment, you need camera, you need tripod stand and stuff like that. They're important, but they are not necessary as a total beginner like you. I started content creation. I'm even doing this content with just my phone and this mic which I got of recent, and I'm already monetized on YouTube and I am already making money on YouTube. There are various ways you can use to start making money on YouTube, and that is why I tell you that you don't need thousands of subscribers, you don't need to reach a 4,000 watch hour, and I'm going to share with you how you can start doing this and how I also did mine in this particular video. My name is Basi Ejogba and I'm a student in the University of Calabar. In my channel I share helpful tips, so if you find this video helpful, if you find this video informative, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share these videos to your friends so that they can come here and get value. So let's go to see how you can start making money on YouTube. The first way for you to start making money on YouTube, for you to begin, is to choose your money path. How do you want to start making money on YouTube? And there are basically 3 ways you can use to start making money on YouTube as a total beginner, right? Whether you have 0 subscribers, whether you have up to 1,000 subscribers and still struggling to reach your 4,000 watch hour. So I'll be basically picking them one by one. I'll be discussing the 3 of them in this video, and I'll be telling you the one you can basically start with if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. The first method is Google AdSense. So when it comes to Google AdSense, is you create a YouTube channel and you start pushing in your content. You get up to 1,000 subscribers and you get up to 4,000 watch hour. That is what is known as being monetized on YouTube by using the Google AdSense. So that is just how the Google AdSense is, and that is where you see that a lot of YouTubers put in the energy to work in order to get monetized on YouTube, because they have limited their mind to only see that the best way the only way they can start making money on YouTube is through Google AdSense, and they only depend. You see them struggling, doing things that are not even helpful, doing things that normally they wouldn't have done, just because they want to reach a 4,000 watch hour and their 1,000 subscribers. So that is the first way you can get monetized on YouTube. That is Google AdSense. Then the second way is affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing is basically you selling, right? So you are selling things that you don't own. You are not the owner of that stuff, but you are selling it because you want to get commission from it, right? That is what is known as affiliate marketing. There are a lot of ways you can start affiliate marketing as a total beginner, as a Nigerian. Sign up on Expert Naira. You get to see some products that are there. I think Seller is also there. There are a lot of affiliate marketing, Prompt N, Stay Codes. I think there are a lot of affiliate marketing programs that are there. Just sign up on these programs and make a video on a particular topic. So let's say I want to make a video on how to lose weight as an obese person. I can make a video on it, and since I've already signed up on this affiliate marketing program, I take a particular product that I want to promote. So let's say that product is 5,000 naira, or let's say that product is 10,000 naira. I talk about how to lose weight as an obese person, and I take that weight loss product and I share the link in my description, or I share it in my comment section. All what you just have to do is people will get to click on that link, make a purchase, and when they make a purchase, you are going to earn from that purchase they make. So let's say that product is 10,000 naira. Basically, you can make up to 5,000 naira based on the commission based on that product. So you can make up to 5,000 naira on that particular product. If it is a 50-50, if it is a 70-30, based on that particular product. But affiliate marketing is simply based on commissions. The last one is digital products. Creation of digital products is one of the biggest ways you can make money on YouTube, even as someone who has not reached 1,000 subscribers and stuff like that. So digital products, when it comes to creation of digital products, you don't need to crack your brain. Digital products, you can use your Google Docs, you can use a WPS Office and create your digital product. The ranges of digital products, from online courses to online tutorials, CV template, which you can even use Canva to create, and the rest of them. All what you just have to do is, when you create this product, make a particular video talking about that product. I tell people that okay, they can buy this from you by clicking the link in the description, or by clicking the link in the comment section. But you can even drop your phone number. I tell them to chat if you create it. If you create this particular product in a PDF format, you can tell them okay, let them chat you on your WhatsApp number. From there, you send them this thing as PDF, and they will pay you money for it. And one thing about when it comes to digital product is that you can just create it once and you will continuously make money from it. So I've talked about the AdSense, I've talked about affiliate marketing, I've talked about digital product. For those of you that are basically not up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, the best I can advise for you right now to start immediately while you are still waiting for monetization is the affiliate marketing and the creation and the selling of digital products. After picking your money part, the next way is choosing the right niche. Basically, this is where a lot of people make mistake on when they are starting as absolute beginners, people who don't have knowledge about YouTube. Picking the right niche will determine how fast you will grow on YouTube and how much you will earn on YouTube. So when it comes to the concept of what a niche is all about what do you want to do on YouTube. Now, entertainment is fun. Everybody loves entertainment. I love entertainment. You love entertainment. Your neighbor loves entertainment. In fact, basically everybody on earth loves entertainment. But the truth of the matter is that when it comes to YouTube, you can post an entertainment video, people will watch it, right? But how much will you make on YouTube? That is a question that you are supposed to ask yourself, right? So if you make an entertaining video and you post on YouTube, and another person choose another niche, so let's say your niche is entertainment, and the next person close to you is choosing a finance niche, an education niche, a tech niche, that person will make more amount of money than you with in entertainment. So basically you can have 10,000 views on a particular video, which basically the RPM will be $1 for you with in entertainment. So you are going to make just $10 on that particular video, and the next person who is into finance niche, how to make money online, also has 10,000 views in his or her particular video. That person will not make $10 just like you. That person can make up to $15, and at times that person can make up to $20. Particularly for me, my RPM right now is around $3. So if I make a video and if I make how to make money online video, we're having 10,000 views, I'm basically having $30, while you will just have $10. So having the right or choosing the right niche on YouTube determines or is one of the biggest factor when it comes to making a good amount of money on YouTube. The third way is by creating searchable content. Don't just create content on YouTube because you are mood, or that is how you are feeling at that particular time to create content. You can blow. Yes, I have to be sincere with you. You can blow because some people have luck on YouTube and stuff like this. You can just create the content and boom. But for you, please don't just create content because you just want to create content. Create content that are searchable, and one of the best way you can create content that are searchable is by doing keyword research. So you must involve yourself in the concept of doing keyword research. So let's say I want to create a video on how to study, right? How to study. It's a good content. It's a nice video, right? People are looking for ways on how they can study. But when you make content research, or when you make searchable content when it comes to keyword optimization, right, now what will help you is that people are not just searching how to study, because how to study is like a generic term, is a vague term that people are talking about. But when you narrow it down to how to study effectively to pass an exam, you have seen that I have changed it from how to just study to how to pass an exam. Or let's say people are writing about how to pass the entrance exam. Instead of just saying how to pass exam, you can say how to study in order to pass your entrance examination, right? So if you are in the online niche, let's say how to make money online, instead of just saying how to make money online, narrow it and say how to make money online as a university student. Now you see that you have been able to narrow it down, and this type of content are searchable because students will go online and search for how to make money as a student, and you find out that your content will come up because your content is directed to solve that particular set of people problem. So you should be able, or in everything you are doing, try to create searchable content. Don't just create content with content that cannot be searched online, or content that you just feel like giving it the title that you feel like giving it. So when it comes to creating content that will be discovered, make sure your content are searchable on YouTube and also on search engine in general. And number 4, which is the last and is the greatest and the secret weapon people don't talk about, is consistency. With consistency, that is what the surest way you will make money on YouTube. You just have to be consistent. It's not going to be rosy. The path is not going to be that smooth, right? You will not just post video. You will not just post a video and you have 1 million views, 1,000 views. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You can spend money and shoot a video and you have 2 views on that particular video. That is just how it is. But what will separate you from other people is the ability for you to keep on pushing even when the result is not there, even when you are not seeing the views, when you are not seeing people commenting on your videos, people are not liking your videos. Just keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. That is how YouTube works. YouTube works as a compound effect. That is how YouTube works. YouTube works using the principle of compound effect. So when you are basically making something or starting something, it doesn't seem like you are making the progress, but as you continuously work on that particular stuff, as you continuously put in the energy, you find out that it grows, and just one day it tends to overflow, and that is when you start seeing the result, and people will be like, this guy that just started YouTube and stuff like that. Just as if you are pouring water on a particular people say tiny drops of water make an ocean, right? So you keep a pail and you are putting a drop of water. At first it's just like you are wasting your time, but when you continuously drop water on it, it can take you 3 months, it can take you 6 months, it can take you 1 year, it can take you 2 years. Everybody has a unique joining. Everybody have a unique path to achieve a particular stuff. So me and you will want to achieve monetization on YouTube, but the path you will take, it can take you 3 months to reach monetization. For me, it can take me 6 years to reach monetization. For you, it can take you 4 years. Some people take them just 2 weeks to reach monetization. We are all different. So all what matters is just for you to be consistent. And when I say consistent, it's not that you must upload videos every day. You can upload videos 3 times in a week, but not that you cannot compare yourself with someone that uploads video every day, because you must take YouTube as a work. You must take YouTube as a job, right? So you should not just take it like something that when you feel like uploading video. You cannot compare yourself to someone who is continuously putting in this content on YouTube. And also, you should focus on your watch time. That is our watch hours. Focus on your watch time. Don't just make short videos. You make a 1-minute video and you have millions of views. Don't compare yourself with someone that will make just if you make 1-minute video and you have millions of views, and someone that make 10 or 8 to 10 minutes and have 100,000 of views. That person will earn more than you. So that is just how it is. Focus on watch time. Don't just focus on how many views you have gotten on YouTube. Don't focus on the views. Focus on how long people watch your content, how long you have been able to gain this watch time, how long you have been keeping. You keep people to, that is a retention graph, how far you have kept people to watch your videos. That is practically what matters on YouTube. So consistency and keeping people to watch your videos, that is one of the fastest way, or that is one of the ways that will ensure that you will surely make money on YouTube as a total beginner just like me. There you have it. These are basically the ways you can use to start making money on YouTube as a total beginner. If you want to be a YouTuber, it is not just by calling yourself a YouTuber, it is the passion that you have to put in. So just work on getting your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour, but alongside with it, you can put in your digital product link, you can put in your affiliate marketing link, and you can also make money alongside of it. Drop it in the comment section which of it you are going to start right away. Are you struggling to reach your 1,000 subscribers or your 4,000 watch hour? You're looking for ways you can start creating a digital product or your affiliate marketing? Just drop it in the comment section. If I see how the comment is going, then I will make a particular video on that particular topic. And if you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also hit on the like button, so I can tell the YouTube algorithm that a lot of people are loving this video, and the algorithm will get it to share it to a larger audience. When it comes to YouTube content creation, it is just about you starting. Start it rough, start it messy, but you will continue getting clarification as you continue pushing. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you pay setter. I really love you. Thank you.